Christian families. So, ways in which Christian families should manage their resources. And I believe always, I usually start with the first, is that by preparing a family what? Budget. Even when you are grown up, you should have a budget. When you come, I don't know whether your parents still do what they used to do during my time. Before opening day, you're told, write a list. Are you told to write a list? Yes. Your parents are very educated. They tell you, write a list, and then your father or your mother keeps on saying, I won't buy that one. That one, last time I gave you money for that. Why don't you have it? He or she is trying to budget. You're also writing so that they can estimate the money that is required for your shopping. So the same way, you should prepare a family budget. If I ask you today, how often do you do shopping in your home? Do you know? And how much you use? Do you use? If a family that does not do a budget is go to the shop, all of a sudden you realize there's no what? Cooking fat, and the skuma wiki is there. Kimbililia mafuta pale uwekewe ya 10, niko na 10. That's wrong. You should look at how many children do you have. I have 4 boys. How much can they eat in a month? Or because they are boys, I can do monthly. I'll do weekly. Monthly, they'll kill me. They'll eat very cheap. We continue. So do a budget. We were talking about ways in which Christian families should manage their resources. We talked about preparing a family budget. And then you are supposed to discuss income openly. Yes? So the spouses are supposed to discuss. Sometimes you might not be included. You might get shocked if you're told how much your parents earn. And then because you're wondering where the money goes. Then number 2, you avoid debt. And I want to emphasize on this point of debt because this year, from 4 class, I asked, how does someone get wealthy? They said, get a loan. So avoid debt. Avoid debt that you cannot repay. And anytime you take debt, you're on debt, remember you can't repay. That is, someone told me that, and it was my best advice ever. The moment someone loans you money, they can't repay you. They can't, so you'd rather choose. You'll keep on seeing them feeding on bread and you don't have, and they have your debt. They can't, why did they in the first place get into the debt? Because they do not have the money. Yes. So what you do, and what I like doing is, you come, you explain to me, oh, you're earning, give me 10,000, I'll return after, I tell you no. I'll give you 2,000 and then don't return. We are done. It's as simple as that. You come, you explain, especially family members. If you're, I want to start a business, we'll be together partners, give me 50,000. I slash 10. Yes, you want to start, yes? 10. I'll give you 10, don't come back. So you'll go look for the other, your own. And most of the time, if you're doing that to start, you never prosper, you just waste the money. It's not yours. It's never yours. You never do anything. And that is the best advice ever. Because you'll never trouble me again. Never ever. You'll be looking at me like this and saying nothing. Nothing. Even, let me not mention things here. It is very easy. It is very easy. I've done it often. Actually, thank God I did it when I did not have a lot of money. Now they can't even come. Because number one, they are scared. I'll ask, where is the 10? The 10, how did you use the 10? They don't want, we are human beings. We are human beings. That is the best. Whoever gave me that, God bless them. Also, avoid being extravagant. Extravagant is every Christmas all of you have to buy a new outfit. That is extravagant. If you can't afford, why are you buying them? Yes? Taking care of needy relatives, aged, orphans, and widows. You should take care of them within your means, not outside your means. Also, keep family savings in the bank. Not really. Whoever wrote this, you keep them in investments, right? Not on banks. You can keep on bank if it's your nest egg, but don't keep it in a bank. It doesn't have a lot of profit, yes. But if you just do like it's called a what? A fund. This fund, money market fund. You can take it anytime, and it's going to earn a good interest for you. You also make wise investments. Which investments can you make? Any investment that you know about. Don't hear about people are doing, what is this thing people are doing, and they do not know, whether it's bots, whatever. It was all of a sudden in Kenya. You don't know about it, and you're investing, and people are losing money. I don't know. I don't remember. If I remember, I'll tell it. Also, by careful exploitation of family resources. Be careful as you're exploiting family resources.